What do you mean you don't have enough men? I don't want to hear it. Those roadblocks stay. And you check every car that's got a kid in it. Yeah, I got...
Wills.
Why don't you put some of it on your tongue, Mr. Grant?
Rude.
What?
Ricky Rude. Changed my name by Depot.
Cute.
I know, the girls love it.
Not this one. We're looking for Eddie.
He's got a habit. You deal in his neighborhood, so don't mess me around. You ever tried skating in a cell? Really makes your turns perfect.
Man, you gotta give me some time.
The sergeant and me, we got an idea.
I'm listening.
There's this guy in prison.
Who?
That's not so